Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm finally going to open, you guessed it, my FabFitFun Box. I've had it for, I think, 2 weeks now. It came, I set it aside because I wanted to open it for you like I always do, and I totally forgot about it. So today we're going to open it and see what's in there because I've heard there's some really cool stuff in here. So, you guys ready? Ta-da! Let's go. All right, so I'm going to, all I've done is take my knife and cut the seal on it, so I have no idea what's in here. So of course, there's always a magazine. Kind of covers everything that's in there, so I know not to open that up and look at that. And then little coupon card and a coupon for the meal kit. So we're just gonna set those aside. I'll check those out later. I always like how, hopefully you can see that, they always package it so pretty. And got little things falling out. It just, it's always kind of like a gift. So before I get started, if you're not currently getting a FabFitFun box, I will put my code below so that you can save, I think it's $10. That's different, I'll put it here. But I think you save $10 off of your first box. So you can't beat that. I think it brings it down to like $39. And there's way more. There's normally over $200 worth of products in your box. So let's see what's in there. Just gonna pop this open and we'll grab the first thing that's in here. It's funny, the little tabs are off. I swear I have not opened this box. So the first thing that we have is Intelligent Nutrients, and it's Refining Micro Polish. It says that it smooths and exfoliates. Superfine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skins. So, nice size tube. See if I can pull this off here. Oh, it's got a nice clean smell. So not bad. I could handle, I don't know about you, but sometimes if it's got like a funky smell, I can't handle it on my face for too long. So that one's got a nice light clean smell. So okay. So Refining Micro Polish, number 1. Number 2, we have a Brightening Purple Clay Mask, Generation Clay. Can't go wrong with a nice mask, and those are also fun if you have children, and like me, I have grandchildren. They love mask day, so that'll be fun. Next up, ooh, jewelry. I'm gonna set that here. We're gonna cover that in a second. Let's see what else is in here. Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens. Now, with it being the beginning of summer, I don't know about you, but my feet take a beating, and this is going to be super exciting to use because my feet stay dry. I mean, no matter how many pedicures I get, and I'm not like a go once or twice a month pedicure person. I'm really not, which I probably should be, but I'll give that a try for sure. Next up, Living Proof. I've heard of this company. Nourishing Styling Cream. Says stops frizz and lightly conditions. Here. So, of course, at the end, I'll take a picture of all the products so you can see exactly what I have going here. Hopefully I'm keeping them in. Pretty sure you can still see that. All right. Oh, I'm super excited about these. Invisi Bobbies. Now, I've been kind of having these in my shopping cart on Amazon because I was going to order them and try them out. So I'm super excited to get these because they're like ponytail holders, and they're supposed to not leave a dent in your hair. So if you put your hair up, like you guys know that we go driving. I mean, I think I put it on Instagram. We take my husband's car out and we put the top down, and it's hard when you're trying to look cute with your hair, but then your hair is just like at the end. So I have a bunch of hair ties in the car to kind of keep track of those, but I'm excited to give these a try. Hair ties, of all things for me to be super excited about, right? All right, so next up, ooh, Spray all day, rose spray. This is a hydrating rose facial spray. Good to have. I've got 2 of these, I think. I don't think I have the rose. I know cucumber, and I have another one. I can't remember what it is right now. So nice spray mist to put on your face to keep it hydrated and just, you know, to kind of keep your face from getting dry. Because again, you know, we're all in the sun right now. So says mist 4 to 5 sprays onto your face with your eyes closed before or after makeup. So if you like that dewy look with your makeup, you can put it on after you put your makeup on too. So I'll put that here. Hopefully those are still in the frame. All right, next up, we have a kimono. So let's get that open. Oh, it's cute. All right, I'll take a picture of this after I'm done and show you what that looks like, but it's very pretty. Cotaflex feels like a soft cottony material. I don't see. Oh, here's the tag. Machine wash cold. Rayon. It's 100% rayon. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna set that behind me. Next up. I have been trying, I had one of these before and then my dog ate it. Life with a Mastiff. So she ate it, and if I think about it, I'll put a picture of her here. And so she ate the board and then she ate some of the letters. So every time I try to spell something, I don't have enough letters to actually spell it. Mastiff Life 101. I should just hashtag Mastiff Life, right? Isn't that how it goes? All right, so this one, super cute. Looks like this. And comes with a little bag to hold your letters. And this one has emojis. My other one doesn't have emojis. So, how cute is that? All right, set that off to the side. We're gonna check our box. Okay, that was the end of our box. Let's see what kind of jewelry we got. I always get something cute in the jewelry department, so I always like to save that one for last. It's kind of noisy in here. The birds are going. I'm babysitting my granddaughter's kitten, so my kitten, her kitten are having a good time. It's just a zoo over here today. All right, so Jennifer Zuner jewelry. And let's see what it is. Oh, it's cute. It's got little stars on it. Hopefully you're seeing that. That's cute. And it's nice and little dainty. Sometimes you just want something dainty just to put on, just to kind of, you know, just to have a little something, but not something really overpowering. So that's really cute. I can see myself wearing that. All right, so we have the board. We have the jewelry, ponytail holder, foot mask, nourishing styling cream, the clay mask. We have the micro refining polish, the refining micro polish, I guess it's called, and the Grace and Stella rose spray. So that is quite a bit, and I don't know about you, but well worth the $50. And again, it gives me an opportunity to try something new. And I think I've said this before in my videos that I'm not an expert in the makeup area. I'm just learning how to do this. And to be able to get new stuff and try out new products and brands really helps me out, just to kind of get these little samples here and there. With this one, it is not a monthly subscription, it is a quarterly subscription. So it's just every quarter. You get it 4 times a year. It's usually themed by season. This, of course, is summer. You can see a lot of the hydrating products. And the winter time, I loved my winter one. So check it out if you haven't, if you haven't done it before. And again, the code will be linked down below so that you can get your very first one if you don't have it, and save $10. So you'll, if you don't like it, there's no commitment. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. So there's no commitment. You can just sign up for the one, and if you don't like it, then you don't have to, get another one. But again, I get super excited. I've been very happy with every single one that I've received thus far. All right, so with that said, I'm going to sign off from here. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Of course, we've got the board here too. Let me know which product was your favorite. And if you don't really have a favorite product, here's the thing. Let me know which one you think I was most excited about. I think it was pretty clear, but let me know which one you think I was most excited about. So with that said, thanks for watching, and we will see you next quarter, next season with the next FabFitFun Box. And with that said, have a great day. We'll see you next time.